Financial wisdom from The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic book that distills financial wisdom into simple, timeless stories. Today, we break down the most powerful lessons you can apply to your life to transform your relationship with money. From how to make more money to how to protect your assets, this video is your guide to better financial education, with a touch of humor. Imagine that you get your salary and the first thing you do is pay everyone else, the rent, the bills, even the coffee you bought with your coworker. But what about you? Here comes the main advice of the book: spend at least 10% of what you earn on yourself. It's not a whim of the "I deserve it" type, but rather saving that money and making it grow. It's like planting a seed: don't eat it, take care of it so that it grows and becomes a tree that bears fruit for a long time. Think of that 10% as the first brick of your financial freedom. And don't use it for temptations, okay? Those fancy boots don't count as an investment. Now that you have your 10%, the next step is to put it to work. Yes, money has a job too. In the book, Arkad, the main character, teaches that saving is not enough. If your money is just sitting there and not making more money, it is losing value. Invest wisely, look for opportunities that you understand and that are safe. Don't become easy prey for miracle businesses that promise absurd profits. How many times have we said, if I made more money, I would save money? But let's face it, even with pay raises, expenses also increase. The key is to distinguish between necessities and luxuries. Make a budget, track those expenses, like the daily coffee or the subscription you don't use, and focus on what's important. It's like dieting: you don't have to live on bread and water, but you can't eat the whole cake every day either. Arkad makes it clear: live within your means and use discipline as your best ally. If this summary has been helpful to you and you want to continue learning about how to improve your personal finances, subscribe to the channel. Here we focus on giving you practical and valuable tools, all with a fun and direct touch. Support the content by sharing this video and leave a comment about which lesson you liked the most. See you in the next video.